If you're looking for the best screen protector for your Apple Watch, this is definitely it. It covers the edges of the watch as well, no bubbles, and it's super easy to apply. It's made by UniqueMe. In the pack, you get wet wipes, dust absorbers, and there's actually 2 screen protectors. It's really straightforward to use. Lift the lid up a little bit so you can get your watch strap in, and then open it up, and then press down on the watch so it snaps into place. Next, get your wet wipe, and then we're just going to give the screen a really good clean, get rid of any fingerprints, dirt, any grime that's on there. So take a bit of time on this, make sure it's absolutely immaculate. And once you've done this, we're going to move on to the drying cloth. So give that a dry. And you've got 2 dust absorbers if you need them, if you see any spots. But I'm just going to go with the screen cover straight away because it's clean. So number 1 goes on the left and number 2 on the right. And then you can see there's also a tab on the right hand side. So just get those on. They can be a little bit fiddly. Make sure the tab is on this side. And then all we're going to do is close the lid. Once the lid's firmly down, pull the tab. This is going to peel the screen sticker off, so it'll stick the screen to your watch. Move the slider to the right, and then move it to the left. That's going to apply the screen and put it on evenly. Lift up the lid. Remove the plastic cover. And then just take your watch out, and you're good to go. This is easily one of the best Apple Watch screen protectors I've ever used. I've tested a lot of them, and this one covers the entire screen. It's easy to apply, and it's bubble free.